Okay, guys. So now what exactly the operators are? So I'm saying operators, we have the arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators. How many arithmetic operators you have? Like plus, minus, multiplication, and division, and this is the modular. And we also have some other kind of operators like relational operator. Relational operators are less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, and also not equals to. So let's suppose if I'm okay, we have another operator which is logical operator. Logical operator. So this is and, two times and this is or, and this is not. So these are the logical operators. For the arithmetic operators, we always use the arithmetic operators to calculate something. So let's suppose 10 plus 90 or 9, and what is the result? You will have 10 plus 9 result is okay. So this is the overall statement. You are adding the values, multiply, divide, and you are using minus. You can add two values, you can subtract two values, you can also use the modular. Okay, so in this way you can use the arithmetic operators. We have already done this one here in our previous video. You can use here the multiplication sign, you can use the division, sorry, division. Okay, you can also use any kind of operators. Now let's discuss about the these operators. So let's suppose if I'm saying 9 greater than 10, we're gonna discuss about the conditions in our later videos. But for now, we are comparing two values, 9 with 10. I'm saying 9 greater than 10. Is it true or false? 9 is not greater than 10. It's a false statement. We're gonna discuss about the statements. If I'm saying greater than equals to, that means we are comparing now two things. 9 greater than 10 or equals to. Yes, both conditions are false. If I'm saying less than or equals to, it's not equals to because 9 is not equals to 10, it's false condition, but 9 less than 10, it's a true conditions. So you can use the relational operators like this. We're going to discuss about the logical operators in our later videos. Okay, I'm going to use, let's suppose I'm saying x greater than z. So what is the x? What is the z? So let's execute this program. It's saying 0.0.0, but if I'm saying %d, now it's saying 0 because this condition is false. Let's suppose if I'm saying x less than z and run this program, it's saying 1 because this is the true condition. X, you have x 10 and you have z 10.5. So whenever you have the true conditions, the system give you or return the value 1. So whenever you have the false condition, the system return the value 0. So this is the usage of the relational operators. So you know very well that we have this operator run, and now you have in minus values. You are dividing 10 with 10. So let's suppose you are dividing, now I'm changing the values. And now as you can see, you are showing this one. Why? Because you have to change the F, and once again, if you run this program, you will have the actual results. Let's suppose if you want to show the address of the variables, so use the and sign before x. We're gonna discuss about why we are doing this in our later videos.